morning. If I look like I just woke up, that's because I did. And we're heading on a little solo adventure this weekend, kind of taking a long weekend because today, Thursday, is a holiday in Spain. It's like their Labor Day. So I'm gonna take that day off from doing nothing and then go visit Valencia for a couple days. And I have no plans. I'm just gonna wander around and see what I can find. I took the train from Barcelona Sants to the city center of Valencia, and even though the forecast was not looking great for the weekend, I still wanted to make the most of it. I stayed at the Marriott AC Hotel in Valencia, and it was super nice and comfortable for a long weekend. So I booked this trip thinking that the weather would be better here than in Barcelona, which has not turned out to be true. It's a bit stormy this weekend, but we're gonna make the most of it and see as much as we can see in between the times that it will be probably raining, especially tomorrow. So yeah, I put my hair up because it's been so windy today. But other than that, I think it's manageable and we're gonna try and enjoy our day. Because of the Labor Day holiday, I knew a lot of restaurants and shops were going to be closed for the day, but there was one spot that I can always count on. I'm actually so pleasantly surprised. It was supposed to be stormy and gross the whole day, and now the sun's out, so we can definitely walk around and explore now. And I'm in a way better mood now that I've had lunch from Honest Greens. Let's go. I really didn't make any formal plans for what I wanted to see here, so my strategy was just to wander around and discover new places as I went. The old city was incredibly beautiful and reminded me a bit of other Andalusian cities I've visited like Malaga and Seville. Yeah, I'm actually obsessed with Valencia. It's a bit like Malaga and Sevilla in some ways, and kind of also reminds me of Cartagena a little bit as well in terms of architecture. After a busy afternoon of exploring, I took the bus back to my hotel for a relaxing evening and grabbed some dinner close by. I was just looking on the map for places close to my hotel to eat dinner. Oh my god, that Greek place was probably better than some of the Greek food that I actually had in Greece last summer. Incredible, incredible. Couldn't recommend it enough. So if you're in the area or staying around the beach, I think this is a spot that you should definitely come to. Good morning. It's just as windy as it was yesterday, but at least there's no rain at the moment. I'm just heading to grab a small breakfast since I ate so much yesterday. And then we'll do a little bit of walking around or probably hopping from shop to shop today to see if it fits in. Yeah, I changed my mind. I went for a 2-in-1 combo brunch at this very interesting place, but the food was absolutely delicious. After that, I went back to this plaza to visit the city hall, which has free entry and a history museum with lots of info about the origins of the city and the region. There's also a little terrace that looks out over the square, so I knew I had to check it out. visit and has some great info about the history of the city. Definitely come to the city hall. I could tell the rain would be starting soon, so I decided to spend the rest of the day back at my hotel just getting some work done and taking it easy. Good morning, it's finally a beautiful day in Valencia, of course the day that I'm leaving, but we're gonna make the most of it before my train this afternoon. So I'm thinking City of Arts and Sciences, beach day, definitely some food in there, get some breakfast, and then yeah, we'll just see what happens. I had a little coffee shop saved on my map to check out that morning, but turns out I wasn't the only one with the same idea. Well, I was hoping that would be a good idea, but there was a run club there, so the place was packed. I just grabbed a quick latte, and I think I'm gonna have to get breakfast somewhere else. After grabbing a quick pastry from a bakery across the street, I made my way over to the City of Arts and Sciences. I'm obsessed with how many green spaces this city has, and there's so many people out this morning running, walking, doing yoga in the park. It's just such a cool community here. Honestly, I was kind of avoiding the spot because I didn't think it would be worth it. I know it's way over touristy, but it's actually really cool. Very futuristic. I know they just filmed some Star Wars episodes here, so wow, I like it. Yeah, I was very happily surprised by this place actually, and my favorite spot was the Lumbrical, which was designed to show how light and shade change throughout the day. It's a great spot to escape the heat in the summer, I'm sure, and apparently it's also a nightclub. Afterward, I started making my way towards the beach because I had to take full advantage of this beautiful weather. Okay, no, I get it. I get the hype. I'm like, do I even want to go back to Barcelona? No, it's just so nice. I mean, after seeing the run club this morning, I'm like, oh, I want to get out there and be doing that, you know, just spending my time out in nature in the city. So this is really nice. Listen, this is the middle of the city. Come on. It's so good here. It was so surprising to me how quiet the other neighborhoods were compared to life in Barcelona, I guess, but I really enjoyed wandering these streets on the way over to the beach. I spent a good amount of time soaking up the sun before I was hungry for lunch, and I heard about this amazing food market nearby. After lunch, I only had a little bit of time before needing to catch my train home, so I took a detour through this lovely neighborhood. But turns out catching a bus on a Saturday afternoon is near impossible, and I nearly missed my train. Luckily, we made it safe and sound, and I'm back home in Barcelona. Otherwise, I really enjoyed this quick city trip and would definitely come back to see more of Valencia and the surrounding areas as well.